Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel pizza order on Domino's pizza application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel pizza order on Domino's pizza application. So basically, first what you need to do is make an order. So when you have here, when you of course open the app, you'll have the big order now button where you have order now. Now here you can of course click on order now or order later, depends on what you want. Click on order now, and here you'll have of course everything that they have in their stores. So pizzas, sandwiches, etc. All these things. You can select something that you want to buy. Click on to add it to your basket. Then it will be in your basket when of course you select it. Now you can go to the basket and you can cancel it right away there. So you can go and click on this minus button here, and the order will then be of course canceled and you will not be ordering it. But if you already have ordered, then you need to go to your orders. So on the right side here you have order now, pizza tracker. You can click on pizza tracker. At the moment I don't have any orders, as you can see, no active orders. But when you have one here, if the order has not been yet of course started to be of course created by the restaurant, you can go and cancel it here. Just click on cancel on the order and cancel order, confirm the cancellation. But if you don't see the cancel number, your order may already be sent to the store and preparation may have started. In that case, open your order confirmation and find the store phone number and call the store. So whichever store it is, call the store and ask them to cancel the order and confirm whether a refund is possible. So that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.